What's up, guys? I'm getting in the Chevy. I gotta go pick up Bo. We're doing some hard body stuff today. To my hard body. I have to clarify that now. Anyways, let's go get Bo and we'll talk about what's going on. So I got him.
What's up?
What are we doing?
We're taking the motor to the machine shop.
I know, I'm excited.
The motor parts. Oh look, there's my new wheels and tires.
Oh, let's go check this out.
Yeah, dude. I got new tires for the F-150 that are basically going to get burned off. And then I got new wheels for the hard body.
These are pretty cool wheels.
I think they are too. I wish I could find some flat center caps for them, like some flat things. But I'm going to strip them.
Okay.
Strip the black out and polish them up.
Polish them up?
Yeah, dude. Or at least I'm hoping. Last time I tried to...
What did they put on this?
Dude, I have no idea.
Gosh.
The dude brought me that one. He was like, this is the one I tried to touch up a little bit. I don't know what he tried to touch it up with, dude.
Like a nail gun or something.
Oh, me too.
He's got to go tell Cannon he's got it going on. So here's the motor. We're going to take that. We got pistons and rods, rings, crankshaft, main caps. And those are the main bolts that came out of it. We're just going to give him all that so he can true everything up, make sure everything's going to run right. I'm going to order main studs and head studs from Summit here pretty soon. But let's go get this thing dropped off, tell him what's going on, and I don't know, we'll catch up with you after that. So here we are. And
it looks so much smaller when it's all taken
I know,
apart.
it's a little tiny thing. Like, oh, it's cute. Yeah, let's go talk to this guy. We'll let you guys know what he has to say about
Where are we at?
what he's going to do. We're Precision
Machine Service.
Yep.
Yeah, I got something down here. I think I got a flywheel turn here. They did a good job.
Yeah.
You know, adequate. Exactly what you'd expect. You have Taco Bell in the bed of your truck.
Dude, so this Taco Bell. Story time, boys.
Uh-oh, story time with Uncle Ronnie.
I went to Kansas this weekend, and on the way up there, my niece wanted a burrito, so I bought her a burrito. She did not eat it. I came back from Kansas to this burrito in my back seat. After 5 days of it sitting in Phoenix. If you know anything about Phoenix, it was like 150.
Yeah.
It's probably 3,000 degrees inside
like
the truck.
The surface of the sun. Plus infinity.
So yeah, that's that Taco Bell. Anyways, let's go talk to this guy. We just left Dave and Owen at the Precision Machine Service. Dave seems like a pretty smart dude. He talks like John Malkovich, which I like because I'm a big John Malkovich fan. Ronnie doesn't know who John Malkovich is because he only watches movies strictly for, you know, their entertainment value or whatever. But which is okay, I guess. Anyway, there was a lot of engine talk and machining talk and questions about the pistons, rods, rings, things like that we've got to contact the manufacturer about. We'll get back to him. Yeah, we couldn't answer. You know, Dave's way smarter than us, so we're just gonna go with what he said and see if we can find out some information for him. It's ridiculous how much you learn when you go and like try to get some machine work done. People start asking you questions, and you're like, well, "What does that do? Or what does that mean?" Anyways, that's where we are with it. We just dropped everything off. We'll have another update again soon. What are we shooting next? Like, what's our next video going to be? I got a bunch of parts coming in. Hopefully they'll be here because, my gosh, it was an ordeal to get these stupid parts.
What parts?
What I ordered was a updated timing kit.
Yes.
A water pump, Mishimoto thermostat, and an oil pump, a Tomei high performance, high flow, high pressure oil pump. That's the part that destroyed everything else. So they have it on their site and you can buy it, and I bought it, and then they tell me, oh, we don't have it. So now I'm like, where's the rest of my order? Because I ordered it like in
information on shipping or anything. So that's kind of annoying. But I found some useful information that we'll share with you guys whenever we get all that stuff about what oil pump to use.
Alright, cool.
But yeah, it was just...
So, when and if we get that stuff in, we'll have an unboxing video showing you all of that. And right now, we're just working on Ronnie's hard body, trying to get it ready for cars in the park. It'd be nice to be able to drive it there.
I just like, it seems like every time we order something or we use something and somebody's like, yeah, this works, this does this, this does this, we run into freaking issues. So hopefully by the time we're done with this, we'll be able to give you guys like a legitimate like motor build part list, order this, here's everything you need to be done. Because I just hope like when I order my main studs that they actually fit, and when I order my head studs they actually fit. Because as far as the way this motor goes, nothing does.
Right on, right on. This is what it looks like when I get a break from life for 5 seconds. I sit in this chair.
He's a liar. He plays Apex.
I totally do. I play video games all the time. I put Minecraft on all my PlayStations yesterday, and we lost like 2.5, 3 hours like that. It was ridiculous.
Minecraft does that to you.
Anyway, we just dropped all the parts off at the machine shop. We got some questions to answer, and hopefully we can get this motor back together. 500 is what we're shooting for. 500.
That's it.
And then it'll be a crazy smoke maker. It'll be a smoke machine. That's what we're hoping for.
As long as it does that, it'll be good. It doesn't matter if it makes 1 horsepower. As long as it can smoke the tires.
Yeah, if it drifts, we'll be happy.
After all this stupid work, man.
Yeah, dude. It's been a lot of work, but you know that's what projects are.
I just want to drive it again. I miss it.
I understand how that goes. I just recently got the WRX running again, and it's just nice to drive it around. It's like the nicest car that I own, but it wasn't running for a while, so it's just nice to drive it around.
Does your truck have AC?
My truck does have AC. The F-150 has AC, and it works real good. And trucks that are single cab are so quick to cool down. Like you just get the AC on full blast, and it cools down super quick. So yeah, it's nice. And hopefully that my hard body will have AC like real soon.
Oh yeah, I remember you got that line.
I bought that line. I just got to get it charged.
Did you put it on?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm a slacker.
I've been gone forever, so I have no idea what's happened since I've been gone.
Anyway, well, in our next video, we will tell you about a giveaway that we were having because we finally hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Woohoo! So look for that. But until then,
we're out. See you later.
later.